Alright, it's about 30 degrees Celsius outside, and this thing is finally done. What a pain in the ass. I had so much problems with my wire feeding. I don't know if you can even see that. I can't even see that right now. 3 passes, 045 wire. Didn't turn out too bad, but could have been better if I had avoided some of the issues. There it is. I'll show you the underside. The underside was a real pain. Like I said, I had a lot of, you could see different grapes were hanging down there. That side's not too bad actually. It was half vertical up, half overhead. Anyways, it's all done. Excavator job finished.